गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। आज हम बीएससी पार्ट थर्ड के विद्यार्थियों के लिए न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस का जो हमने फर्स्ट और 2 वीडियोस दे चुके हैं, तीसरे वीडियो में हम इनके रिलेशंस के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट फॉरवर्ड ऑपरेटर की डेफिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग डेफिनेशन ऑफ forward operator, delta of fx equals to f of x plus h minus fx, and backward operator जिनका हम पिछले वीडियो में पढ़ चुके हैं, backward operator delta fx equals to fx minus f of x minus h. Then shift operator e of fx equals to f of x plus h. Then fourth identity operator जिनका हमने पिछले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, इनकी परिभाषाएं इस प्रकार है। अब इनके बीच में रिलेशंस निकालने हैं। तो रिलेशन बिटवीन फॉरवर्ड, backward, shift and I operators. Now we want to prove first relation E is equivalent to 1 plus delta. First relation in this E and delta. So we know that delta of fx जो डेफिनेशन हमने लिख रखी है f of x plus h minus fx and e of fx equals to f of x plus h. So by this definition, using this in this LHS part, e of fx equals to f of x plus h. Therefore, fx plus h minus fx और plus fx, fx के पद को जोड़ने और घटाने का। Then f of x लास्ट टर्म को पहले प्लस, दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डेल्टा। सो डेल्टा ऑफ fx जो अंडरलाइन की गई है वो वैल्यू फर्स्ट फॉरवर्ड ऑपरेटर की f of x plus h minus fx by this definition. Therefore f of x plus delta f of fx, taking fx as a common f of x, so this is equals to 1 plus delta, which is your RHS. That is the first relation between E and delta. And second relation is backward delta is equivalent to forward E inverse. If without function, it is written as equivalent. By definition of delta fx equals to f of x minus f of x minus h. Then taking LHS backward delta of fx, this implies by using the definition fx minus f of x minus h. Then we know that in the shift operator E inverse fx, e raised to n fx equals to f of x plus nh. Then n equals to minus 1, so e of minus 1 fx equals to f of x minus h. Therefore, using this definition, fx minus e inverse of fx. Then firstly we want to change in forward operator, because we want to prove delta forward E inverse. So using the delta, by this definition, this can be written as delta f of x minus h, क्योंकि यहाँ देखिए फंक्शन को fx में x में h ऐड करें और माइनस फंक्शन है f of x plus h minus fx. So when you use the forward first operator, so f of x minus h is converted as delta f of x minus h. Then using E inverse, so this implies delta of E inverse Fx, which is equivalent to delta of E inverse H. This is your RHS. LHS will take backward definition, then convert into forward operator in this function, and then again convert into shift operator inverse, or this is your right hand part. And next relation, number third relation. Delta backward equals to 1 minus E inverse, equivalent to 1 minus E inverse. So this is equals to again our LHS part by definition of backward delta equals to f of x minus h. Again use the definition of inverse shift operator. This implies f of x minus E inverse f of x. Using shift operator, E inverse fx equals to f of x minus h. This implies 1 minus E inverse taking outside fx. This is equivalent to 1 minus E inverse, which is your RHS. Backward delta is equivalent to 1 minus E inverse. Then next, fourth one, prove that 1 plus delta forward 1 minus backward delta is equivalent to I. This is your fourth relation, which is important relation. Again, from the first relation we know that, इसको दो तरीके से हम प्रूव कर सकते हैं. We know that E equals to 1 plus delta, and this is third relation, backward delta equals to 1 minus E inverse, which is equals to E inverse equals to 1 minus backward delta. Using both 1 plus delta and 1 minus delta in LHS part, 1 plus delta, 1 minus delta, this implies this is your E and this is your E inverse Fx, which is equals to I of Fx, which is equals to equivalent to I. This is your RHS part. इसको both two ways से हम prove कर सकते हैं. The first way is given by this. The second way is we can write again LHS 1 plus delta 1 minus delta LHS part of this equation. Then using Fx, this implies 1 plus delta Fx minus backward delta of Fx. Fx minus backward delta of Fx using second bracket on Fx. So Fx minus delta of Fx. This is equals to 1 plus delta Fx, and then definition, write out the definition of backward delta. Backward delta is Fx minus f of x minus h. So minus Fx, then minus minus plus f of x minus h. This is the definition of backward delta. Therefore, Fx cancel, which is equals to 1 plus delta into f of x minus h. तो ये दो टर्म कैंसिल हो गई, ये टर्म्स के साथ फंक्शन के साथ. देन यूज करें अगेन f of x minus h मल्टीप्लाई, देन प्लस डेल्टा ऑफ f of x minus h. Using the forward operator definition, x plus h minus h. So f of x plus f of x minus h plus taking f of x minus h plus h minus f of x minus h. So this implies f of x minus h plus f of x has cancelled, minus f of x minus h. Again this is cancelled. This is your f of x, which is equivalent to I. So both two ways we have to prove this. 1 plus delta backward, forward, 1 minus backward delta is equivalent to identity operator I. So this is the definition, and if we know that these relations, we can directly go to the result of RHS part. Another way we can prove this result by this simple operator definition. Using these operator definition, we can find the RHS part. Next, third one, fourth. Again, next relation is forward minus backward is equals to forward into backward. Relation number is 5. Then again, using the definition from RHS side, on the left hand side and right hand side, you can show your result. So if you take LHS part, forward minus backward into fx. Using this definition, delta of fx minus backward delta of fx. Then using definition, delta of fx minus fx minus plus f of x minus h. Then f of x plus h minus f of x minus f of x plus f of x minus h. Both forward and backward, we use the definition delta fx is first two term and backward delta is the last two terms. So we want to convert into multiplication of forward into backward. So we want to convert this in this multiplication form. So fx f of x plus h minus fx minus of using backward delta using backward delta then you get, so after simplification you get the forward into backward delta f of x. So this is your right hand part, left hand part is like this. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.